this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Venus in Gemini. People with Venus in Gemini usually are genuine communicators and really enjoy communicating in their relationships. They will usually attract very talkative partners. Sometimes they can be quiet themselves. They usually enjoy writing and are really great at selling things. They usually have a pleasant and calm and collected voice, and they're usually very loving and considerate and pleasant to be around. They often find very solid relationships, and they usually stick to their relationships, and they're usually very committed when Venus is alone, especially without any kind of aspects. And that's my interpretation of Venus in Gemini.